Good afternoon and welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around. This is probably one of my personal favourite cars I've got in at the moment. This is a 2023 BMW 230i M Sport, but it has been titivated by the guys at Motec. Absolutely amazing car. The spec on this is absolutely insane. I think it's got about 11 grand of options. It's got the M Sport Pro pack, the Tech pack, the Driver Assist pack, the Comfort pack. It's got all the packs. Finished in, as you can tell, Thundernight Purple, which is one of my personal favourite colours from BMW. Absolutely love it, with all the black bits and all the little extra bits added by Motec. Those wheels especially, absolutely love it. Really, really nice car this. It's done 27,000 miles, just short of. With the options list and everything else on it, it's absolutely insane value as well. These are brilliant on fuel and excellent performance, but you've got those 20-inch gloss black Motec alloy wheels with some really nice centre caps on there, M Sport braking, some nice little carbon fibre, very subtle mud guards, and then a full carbon kit. So you've got all of the front splitters, you've got some Grille surrounds on there as well, also finished in carbon. Condition of this car is absolutely lovely. Obviously LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors. Just them wheels though, I think they're absolutely stunning. All the little details like these little cutouts and things in there, they're just very, very nice. Got the black M badges on the sides, carbon door mirrors, the all important sunroof. Again, all carbon fibre bits. But the condition of this is absolutely lovely. I'll apologise because we're out in the middle of nowhere and these cars get dusty really, really quickly. So there's a couple of spider webs and dust all over it already. But I apologise. It's also got a Scorpion GPF-back exhaust with carbon tips, carbon rear diffuser, really nice carbon boot lip spoiler on there as well. Obviously privacy glass on the rear, reverse camera. Decent sized boot in these. As I mentioned, I drove one of these for a little bit. One of the new gen ones with these screens, the LCI screens and stuff in them. And performance and economy, I think, is a really, really, really nice mix on this. They're very, very good on fuel and they're plenty quick enough. Again, more little bits the previous owner has done. So I'm just going to turn those blowers down a little bit. There you go. So previous owner's done these in like a matte carbon PPF or wrap, but it's been nicely done. It looks really nice. One of the personal preferences I didn't like on most of these, where you get the BMW tricolore on there, and I don't really like it. This one hasn't got it with the black. Obviously Harman Kardon heads-up display, a massive wraparound screen, which I'm a massive fan of. Big fan of that. Black leather seats, contrast stitching, comfort pack, so electric heated seats with driver memory. Driver seat also has the lumbar support in the back. Don't think that's ever been used in its life. 2 keys. It was originally registered by the BMW dealer that supplied it, so it's only had one previous owner, one actual owner, but 2 on the logbook. But condition, spec and look, I think this thing is amazing. Big fan of it. Don't know if I've banged on about that enough already now, but there you go. Keyless entry and start. The kick plates on the interior. Memory function for the driver's seat, as I mentioned. Also got electric heated folding dimming door mirrors with that little triangle in the corner. That is your blind spot monitoring. And then on here, you'll notice a few more bits like the adaptive cruise control, speed limiter, heated steering wheel. Mileage is there, just short of 27,000 miles, as I say, and then all of that's configurable. But that big screen is really, really nice. And then all the usual bits: satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There's ambient lighting in here. There's all sorts of bits and bats that you can have and choose from and do. So whatever colour you want on there. And then there's loads of other apps and various bits and bats you can have. You can turn your phone into a key with these, with a digital key as well. But yeah, all sorts of stuff. Heads-up display, you can see it flashing away there. And then obviously things like automatic lights, automatic wipers, blah, 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 blah. Down here, wireless charger for your mobile phone, USB ports, usual bits and bats. Auto dimming, rear view mirror, reading lights, blah, 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 blah. Your sunroof, which opens like that. And then all of this finished in carbon as well. Again, I think these are more aftermarket bits, but nicely done. And then little carbon stickers, really, more than anything, on the paddles. But just a cool car, this. I like it. I like the colour. Again, bang on about performance and economy. Maybe because I'm getting old now. I like something that still does 40-50 miles to the gallon on a motorway, but I can overtake everything in. These do that brilliantly, and it looks the business. Proper cool car, that. But there you go. If you are interested in this one, please do give any one of the team here at Kingsbridge a call. We'll be more than happy to help. If there's any more information you want, and please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're interested in the kind of cars that we get, we're into all this kind of stuff, something a bit unique, masses of spec, cool cars. Give us a follow. We've always got cool stuff up for sale. And if you are interested in selling your car, please again please do give us a call. We're always interested. If you've got something unique, good mileage, good ownerage, good history, and a mega spec and mega colour combinations, we're always interested. So put a bid in if you are looking to sell. But there you go. Hope this one helps, and we shall see you on the next one. Cheers.